Day 2, exploring Thingvellir, Geyser, Gulfoss, and dining at Friðheimar. Today began with a visit to the Thingvellir National Park Service Center. Our main goals were to gather information about the area and pay the camping fees for last night. The cost for 2 people without electricity, including taxes, was 3,933 Icelandic krona. Thingvellir is known for being historically and geologically significant. The park lies in a rift valley, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet, creating a stunning landscape of deep fissures and crystal-clear lakes. It's also the site of Iceland's first parliament, Alþingi, established over 1,000 years ago, making it a location rich in both natural beauty and history. After the service center, we drove to explore more of Thingvellir National Park itself. If you're planning a visit, you can easily drive to the main parking area of Thingvellir and pay the entrance fee at the visitor center there. While exploring the park, you can walk between the tectonic plates at Almannagjá Gorge, visit the beautiful Gulfos Waterfall, or marvel at Silfra, a rift filled with some of the clearest water in the world, which is popular with snorkelers and divers. This park offers a mix of stunning natural views and fascinating historical sites, making it a must-see. After leaving Thingvellir, we headed to Geyser Hot Springs, though we accidentally missed Gullfoss, which we highly recommend visiting as it's along the way. Gullfoss is known for its deep blue waters and charming waterfalls. It's a bit of a hidden gem and worth the detour. At Geyser Hot Springs, we were treated to the sight of Strákur, the most active geyser in the area, which erupts every 5 to 10 minutes and sends boiling water up to 20 meters into the air. The entire geothermal area is fascinating, with steaming vents and bubbling mud pots all around. It's a great place to walk around and feel the raw energy of Iceland's geothermal activity up close. Make sure to have your camera ready, as the eruptions are quick but thrilling. Next, we made our way to Gulfos Waterfall. Gulfoss, or the Golden Falls, is one of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls. It is a 2-tiered waterfall that plunges into a deep canyon, creating an impressive view of cascading water and mist that fills the air. The viewpoint trails allow you to get quite close to the falls, giving a sense of their sheer power. On a sunny day, you might even see rainbows forming in the mist, adding to the magical experience. For dinner, we went to Friðheimar, often called the tomato restaurant. This unique place is set inside a greenhouse where tomatoes are grown year-round, thanks to geothermal energy. The atmosphere is warm and green, with rows of lush tomato plants surrounding the dining area. Friðheimar is famous for its fresh tomato-based dishes, from tomato soup to tomato cocktails, and everything in between. If you want to dine here, it's best to make a reservation about a month in advance since it's very popular. If reservations are full, you can still visit the cafe, which is what we did. It offers a great experience, even without a full table service meal. Since it was getting late, we decided to camp at the Reykholt campsite across from Friðheimar. This campsite is well equipped with everything we needed: shore power for electricity, warm showers, facilities for dumping dark and gray water, and fresh water to refill our tanks. It was a comfortable end to a long and rewarding day of adventure.